See some kind of bird up here, guys. Oh, it's gone already. He's gone. There they are, up there on the pole. I'm gonna pick up a couple of scrap bicycles. I'll show you those bicycles. The mechanic wasn't there, he's out getting tires for somebody. So I'm just gonna try to make a U-turn up here, and then I'll swing to where these bicycles are. And there's nobody behind me, nobody coming. Checking around, guys, checking around. Gotta get back onto the road a little bit, then we're gonna quickly swing off the road and just take a little walk up here. Gotta leave the truck running. I might throw these bikes in the back, guys. I'll continue with my cell phone. Okay, guys, somebody dumped a couple bikes. I just want to check these out. See how they are. They look like little kids' bike. I mean, I guess it would be good scrap, you know. That's an aluminum. I don't know if these are aluminum or not. This is missing wheels. This got wheels, but wow, these weeds grew big. This was never here, guys. I'm just gonna walk around a little bit and we'll get out of here. Cause I know the camera shakes when it's trying to see what kind of scrap is back here. There's a tire there. Wow. Look at all the sand that was just, the water just came through here, and wow. So yeah, people have been coming here and dumping, guys. Normally when I have my quad, I'll come up in this area and see. I'm just gonna take a run up there. Hood of a car. Just see what's going on up here, guys. I might have to come in here and get some scrap. Wow, a lot has changed. Wow. Quite a bit of scrap up here. Wow. Watch for nails. There's a nice railing. There's a little chair thing there. There's brass fitting on the pressure washer handle over here. You can see that. Got some hoses here. Might even be some more scrap back there. The hoses got brass fittings on them. So I gotta come back here, guys, with my snips, grab some of the scrap and bring it home. A lot of cans that could be picked up. There's more hose down in here. Just got a bunch of aluminum cans. Guys, I'm hearing a lot of banging. Should have brought my tripod. This is uneven grounds. I was gonna pull in, guys, but see that big rock right there? You know, I would have had to drive over that big sucker. Maybe I could have hugged this bank a little bit. Oh you hear that, guys? I'm just going to try to get down here. Should have brought my head mount. See what's over here. Somebody's back here, guys. I'm probably right. Maybe somebody's unloading, guys. Looks like somebody came in here. Maybe spent the night. A lot of rain yesterday. There comes a car. Hopefully my truck will be alright where it is. It's a truck pulling out, guys. Yep, somebody was back there, guys, probably dumping. It didn't look like they had a heavy load. I'd like to get in here, see if that TV's got a cord, but I don't know if I want to jump through all this stuff here, you know, and end up with a tick on me. But oh, there is a cord, guys. Shoot. I don't know. I don't know if it's worth. I'm gonna have to check myself really good. Some kind of a television here. Yeah, it's all busted. It's all busted. Probably a decent, maybe a little amount of aluminum in there. Since I'm here, guys, let's see what's over here. Make sure I ain't got no ticks on me. We gotta watch for snakes as well. I don't know what's in this bag here. Oh shoot, somebody coming. It's just a whole bunch of clothes, guys. The speaker back there. Hopefully we got all that. You know, I'm just gonna get out of here right here, guys. So we got us a nice little copper cord. Oh, that's moving. Alright, let's head back down. There's the Jeep, guys. We'll head back down this way, and I'll see you down there. We got 2 copper cords already, guys. I remember there's a couple of vacuums or something back here. I just don't want to get a tick on me, you know, and bring it home. Or bite me. There's a bunch of stuff busted right here. I mean, I don't think animals are coming up right in this area. Just take a quick look, guys, see what's here. DCR, got some aluminum, but you know. Not really seeing any cords anywhere, guys. I'm seeing a cord right here. This copper. No. It's not copper. I do see some kind of vacuum cleaner. Right there, guys. Now if that has a cord on there, which I'm not really seeing because of this, I might have pulled this cord. Yeah, that cord's been cut. get out of here, guys. It's not worth being in here. I don't know, I'm seeing something up here. It's like a TV, guys, all shot up. Oh, that's an old monitor, guys. I'm not sure if that's copper or not. So, oh, I do see a cord, guys. This old monitor. Okay, we'll take that. There's a little thing of copper as well, guys. Take that too. It's a touch. Oh, there's another one. That's why I'm having a hard time. We'll break this out right here, guys. Okay. Copper. This one I'll put in my pocket. Meanwhile, I hope I ain't getting freaking ticks on me. Now, I saw a cord. Crap, it's up here, guys. Let me grab that cord. Grab all this stuff. Let's get out of the bush. Let's get out of this bush, guys. I gotta check myself. There's the hood. I'm gonna get back here again, guys. Get some brass fittings and stuff. Watch for nails. I'm just gonna hide my copper stash right there, guys. Got a piece of brass or aluminum. Put that right in the pocket. Yeah, here we go. I'm gonna get these cut off, guys, and I'll be right back. I don't know what happened, guys. The thing shut down. I cut a piece of few pieces of brass. This looks like it's fresh. Is this wire, guys? Is this copper here? No, that's just rope. Well, somebody was dumping something. Somebody was dumping something, guys. Once I get another quad, I'll be coming back here and looking for stuff as well. Something just took off. I like to work my way back up to these TVs, but chances are there's nothing there. So the last, well, we can't work our way up here, guys. See what's back up in here. And I know this is crazy what I'm doing. This is definitely crazy what I'm doing, guys. But you know, it's a video. What the heck? Is that a gun barrel sticking out of there, guys? I do see some wire here. What the heck is this? Oh, that's a painting thing, guys. That's something to paint with. If it's one of the old ones, I could definitely use it, but I don't think it is. But we got a TV right here. Hopefully there's no nails here. I don't physically see any cord laying around, guys. I'm not seeing any cord at all. I am hearing a freaking backhoe. Probably a brass fitting on that thing there. I'm not seeing much back here. Let's get back down here. That looks like aluminum. Plastic. I'm hearing something coming up here. We'll hang out a little while, guys. There's something down in that area. Here's another dump spot. TV with no cord. There's an old chair down that way. I'm hearing a backhoe, guys, and that means one thing. There's a hose back here. They're putting in bike trails. That's why I'm not hearing any quads right now. Tell you what. Ah, these freaking gnats. Oh, man. Oh. Seen a lot of hose back here, guys. What's this? Yeah, that looks like an old bottle, guys. Still got the cork on it. This is what you call the dumps, the new dumps. I do see a brass fitting right there. I'm looking back here, I don't see any other fittings. So why don't we get this brass fitting? Hopefully there's not a bunch of hopefully there's not a bunch of stuff in here. Oh, got it. Oh, the whole thing's turning, guys. Man. I don't know. Oh, the whole bracket. I don't know if I could cut through that bracket. Nah. I gotta cut through this plastic here, maybe. Oh, the camera fell. Dang. This is brand new, guys. Damn, I should have brought the tripod. Alright, that's not coming out. What I'm going to do is shut this off and try to get that piece to come out.